How to delete Instagram account from another phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete Instagram account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting your Instagram account from another phone is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is launch the Instagram app, come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to account center. Once you go to account center, one way that you can delete someone from your Instagram account on another phone is by simply going to password and security and then changing your password. So this is basically the first way. When you change your password of your Instagram account, anyone who's logged into your account will get automatically logged out. The other way you can do this is under security checks. You'll find where you are logged in. So tap on where you're logged in button here. After you do that, all you have to do is simply make sure to review the devices as to where your Instagram account is logged in, and then now you can just go ahead and then choose to log out of them. That's all it takes to go ahead and then delete Instagram account from another phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.